everyone, welcome to Autocar Professionals POV, our explainer series where we break down the biggest shifts in the global automotive industry from an Indian lens. What if I told you that the fuel in your car has quietly changed overnight? Same petrol pump, same price, but now 20% of it isn't petrol. It's called E20, a blend of petrol and plant-based ethanol. The government says it's cleaner, greener and great for India's economy. But many vehicle owners are grappling with confusion and, to top it up, unexpected bills. To put it simply, E20 means petrol blended with 20% ethanol. It's a biofuel usually made from sugarcane, corn or surplus grain. India's ethanol journey actually began in 2003 with E5. Moved to E10 by 2022 and was supposed to reach to E20 by 2030. But now the government has suddenly hit the fast forward button 5 years ahead of schedule. Why the rush? Every year, India spends over 11 lakh crore importing crude oil. Ethanol blending reduces that bill, makes us less dependent on volatile global oil markets and is expected to put money into the hands of Indian farmers instead of oil companies. Ethanol also burns cleaner than petrol, releasing less carbon dioxide. So what's the problem? Well, most cars made in India before April 2023 weren't designed for E20. Owners are reporting a drop in fuel efficiency, some say to even 15 to 20%, though government tests puts it to around 1 to 6%. Others worry about the long-term engine damage, especially to rubber hoses, gaskets and plastic parts that ethanol can corrode. For now, car makers and oil companies are washing their hands off any damage to non-E20 compatible engines, and drivers, they're caught in the middle with no option but to switch to E20. Many give the example of Brazil, but one needs to understand it took them 50 years to go from blended fuel to pure play ethanol, giving consumers a choice at every step. But here in India, we're trying to do that in just 5. No opt-out, no gradual rollout, just a full throttle jolt. And here's what could have been done differently. Phased transition by keeping E10 at pumps alongside E20 for older vehicles. Number 2, subsidizing replacement of ethanol sensitive parts. Number 3, clear communication to the owners on compatibility before the rollout. And some price incentives making E20 cheaper to win trust, just like Brazil did. What can different stakeholders do now? The E20 train has left the station, but there's still time to make this journey smoother. The government can keep E10 available for a transition period, fund retrofitting programs, and ensure ethanol pricing benefits can reach consumers at the pump. Automakers can choose to offer affordable retrofit kits for older vehicles, clearly label compatibility, and share real-world performance data. Oil marketing companies can provide clear signage at pumps about fuel type and train pump attendants to guide customers. While insurance companies can come forward to clarify coverage terms for E20 related damage and offer special add-on covers for non-compatible vehicles. As far as consumers are concerned, you can check your vehicle manual for E20 compatibility, track your mileage, schedule timely maintenance and hope for the best. E20 could be a win for India's economy, farmers and the environment in the long haul. But today, it is important to make the shift with care and proper planning, not at the cost of consumers' wallet and trust. Thanks for watching Autocar Professionals POV. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.